If you want to stay connected with your child without giving them a full smartphone, this might be an interesting solution. This is the Lagenio K9 Kids Watch Phone, a 4G smartwatch that combines GPS location tracking, video calling, SOS emergency features, messaging, a built-in camera, and even an AI learning assistant in one kid-friendly device. Parents can also connect it to their smartphone to manage important features and check the watch's location. But how well do all these features actually work in real-world use? Let's unbox the Lagenio K9, set it up, and test its most important features to find out. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Lagenio K9 Kids Watch Phone. This is a 4G supported smartwatch designed specifically for kids, and it comes with quite a few cool and useful features. First, let's take a look at some of the main specifications mentioned on the box. It features a 5-megapixel HD camera, GPS location tracking, built-in AI learning features, and a 1.78-inch display. On the back of the box, we have the color, model information, and FCC ID. On the side, we can see some additional features. It supports emergency calls, messaging, video calls, and family group chat. It also comes with 8 gigabytes of storage and 1 gigabyte of RAM, an IP68 water resistance rating, a 700 mAh battery, and it runs on Android 8.1. There's also a Make Friends feature that allows compatible watches to connect with each other. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Right after opening the box, the first thing we see is the watch itself. This particular version has a blue and red color scheme. It gives me a kind of Spider-Man or superhero-inspired look. Next, we have a small plastic tool or tray. We'll see what this is used for in a moment. We also get a warranty card. Then we have a Neo SIM card activation and refill guide, followed by a user manual and an important notes booklet. There's also a SIM card included in the package. And finally, we have the charging cable. It has a USB Type-A connector on one end and the watch's charging connector on the other. And that's pretty much everything we get inside the box. Let's put all of these accessories aside and take a closer look at the watch itself. This is our main Lagenio K9 Kids Watch Phone. There's a protective sticker on the display, so let's remove that first. Looking around the watch, we have the SIM card slot here, and the microphone is located on this side. On the other side, we have the SOS button, along with the reset and power controls. There's also a speaker built into the watch. The silicone strap feels reasonably sturdy and should be comfortable enough for everyday use. On the back, we have the IMEI number, along with some information about 4G connectivity, calling, GPS location, and other specifications. This area here is the magnetic charging port, which is where you connect the included charger. And at the top of the watch, we can see the built-in camera. Now, let's power it on. Press and hold the power button for around 2 seconds. And there we go. The first thing we see is the Lagenio branding. I'm going to select English as the preferred language. And now we're on the main interface. As you can see, there's a nice animated watch face. The interface is colorful and definitely looks like something designed with kids in mind. The controls are also quite simple. You can swipe to unlock the watch, and swiping to the right gives you access to the main menu. There are quite a few applications and features available here. We have Neo Call, Neo AI, Chat, Video Call, Phone, Timetable, SMS, and Add Friend. The Add Friend feature allows kids using compatible watches to connect with each other. We also have a camera, gallery, magic camera, step counter, binding options, SIM settings, stopwatch, games, calculator, themes, and several additional settings. Inside the More section, we can find options such as contacts, alarm, stopwatch, SMS, and settings. You can also customize the theme of the watch. For example, you can change the layout and appearance of the interface and choose the style you prefer. So overall, navigating the watch is pretty straightforward. If you swipe down from the top, you can access the notification panel. Swipe again, and you'll get quick settings, including the option to adjust the screen brightness. Swipe right to access the menu, and swipe left to go back. You can also check weather information directly from the watch. When the watch is locked, you can swipe up from the bottom to unlock it. Now let's check out the camera. Using the built-in camera, kids can take photos directly from the watch. Let me take a picture here. And once the photo has been captured, you can open the gallery to view your existing pictures. Going back, we also have something called Magic Camera. With Magic Camera, you can add different frames and effects to your photos. For example, I'm going to select this frame. And there we go. It has been successfully applied. You can find these pictures in the gallery, and you can also delete them directly from the watch if you no longer need them. Now, let's take another look at the physical controls. This is the SOS button, which is obviously an important safety feature for a kid's smartwatch. On the other side, we have the SIM tray. Remember that small plastic tool we found inside the box earlier? This is what you can use to open the SIM tray. Simply insert it here, and the tray comes out. The watch also comes with a SIM card, which can be used to activate the cellular features of the device. So those are the basic features of the watch itself. However, one of the most important parts of the Lagenio K9 is its smartphone app integration, because parents can bind the watch to their phone and remotely manage many of its features. So, let's download the app first. You can scan the QR code provided with the watch, or search for the Lagenio app on your smartphone's app store. I'm using Android here, so I'll download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account. After signing up, the app will ask you to scan the QR code from the watch. So, let's scan the QR code. And there we go. Now we can configure the parental control settings. I'll enter my name here, and then we can give the watch a device name. For example, you could simply use your child's name. And now the watch has been successfully bound to the smartphone. We can also enable notifications and allow the necessary permissions. You can add approved contacts here as well, so your child can communicate with the people you choose. Now, one of the most important features is GPS location tracking. When I open the location section, you can see that the app is able to show the watch's location on the map. This can be extremely useful for parents because instead of giving a young child a full smartphone, you can use this watch to maintain communication while also having access to location and safety-related features. Inside the Discover section, you can find information about other products and services from the brand. And when we go into the More section, there are a lot of additional parental controls. We have options such as Bind Member, Safety Zone, SIM card settings, Class Mode, School Timetable, and more. There are also settings for call records, Auto Answer, Scheduled Device Power On and Off, Power Saving Mode, Alarms, and several other functions. Inside the Chat section, you can access the communication features between the watch and the connected smartphone. Now, let's test one of the most interesting features, video calling. I'm going to start a video call. And there we go. As soon as the call is accepted, we can see the live video directly on the screen. For a kid's watch, this is a particularly useful feature. If your child is outside, at school, visiting family, or somewhere else, you can communicate with them directly through the watch. Combined with GPS location tracking, this gives parents another way to stay connected with their children without necessarily giving them a regular smartphone. Another interesting feature of the Lagenio K9 is its built-in AI learning assistant. Kids can use the AI feature to ask questions and learn different things directly from the watch. For example, let's open the Neo AI Learning Assistant. I'm going to ask it a simple question. Why is the sky blue? I'll send the question using the voice command. It takes a few moments to process the request. And there we go. The AI assistant has provided an answer directly on the watch. So this means kids can use the watch not only for communication and safety features, but also as a simple learning tool for answering everyday questions. Overall, the Lagenio K9 Kids Watch phone combines several useful functions in one compact device. Kids get access to basic features such as calling, video calling, messaging, a camera, games, step tracking, and AI-assisted learning. At the same time, parents get access to useful controls such as GPS location tracking, approved contacts, safety zones, class mode, schedules, and other remote management features. So instead of giving a young child a full smartphone, a device like this can provide many of the essential communication and safety functions through a kid-friendly smartwatch.
That's pretty much everything for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're interested in the Lagenio K9 Kids Watch phone, make sure to check the description box, where we'll include all the relevant product details. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.